Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel How to Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to teach you guys how to play games in Snapchat. Watch the video till the end and you'll be able to do it in no time. First of all, you have to tap open Snapchat. After opening Snapchat, you'll be in a homepage interface something like this. Then in the left upper corner, you can see your profile icon. Just besides the profile icon, there is a search icon. You have to tap on the search icon. After tapping on the search icon, you have to write games on the search bar. After you type games, you have to scroll down until you find lenses. After you find lenses, you will be in a list of various games. You can tap any game and start playing. I'm tapping first, which is high score games. So this is the way how you can play games on Snapchat. I hope the video was informative. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Till then, keep watching.